Hello, Saber. You're back for another sound font review here. This time, Skydragon C5 from Saber has provided us a Doctor Who inspired sound font. I have to say, it's pretty neat. So, without further ado. So the hum is the Tardis. It's pretty cool. The Tardis in flight, or I don't know. I have to say, sorry. Yeah, nobody's gonna throw tomatoes. You can throw tomatoes at your monitor if you want, but I gotta catch up on my Doctor Who. Let's just leave it at that. Anyway, yeah, big time. So, yes, with the Tardis, and then the swings. We have flying Tardis. That's cool. And then we have some clashes. And then there are 4 lockups. I've chosen the one with the hum in the background. There are 4 choices. It's lockup 1 and 2, which actually are lockup with the hum, lockup without, and then you have the same ones but labeled as such. So, I've chosen the one with the hum, and it is the sonic screwdriver. Yeah. And then the spooky shutdown. Sorry. Too shabby. Excuse me. So yeah, that's pretty neat, man. I've seen enough Doctor Who to know that sounds like Doctor Who. So. Again, I'm not the best person to be reviewing this just because of my lack of Doctor Who knowledge. I don't know, I just haven't put in the effort. I'm too much of a Star Wars, Star Trek guy, so anyway, I digress. Back to the Doctor Who font by Skydragon C5. It's very well done, man. You did a very good job compiling this one. Anyway. Thanks again for watching, and good job. Keep them coming, guys. I'm digging them. Cheers. Happy sabering. Thanks again for watching.